Celsa Group is one of the leading producers of circular and low-emission steel and the largest circular supply chain in Europe. With 120 work sites and more than 70,000 professionals across Europe, the company produces 5.5 million tons of steel from recycled ferrous waste. Celsa UK, based in Cardiff, needed an integrated business planning platform to optimize transportation operations to further enhance their supply chain.
Con este proyecto nosotros queríamos mejorar la eficiencia y trazabilidad de nuestras operaciones de transporte, tanto desde la planificación hasta el cierre del coste.
Together with Westernacher Consulting, they successfully implemented SAP Business Network for Logistics and SAP Transportation Management.
El objetivo de la implantación de SAP TM en Celsa Group era crear una plataforma integrada de comunicación con los transportistas y un mejor control de los costes de los mismos.
The implementation of freight collaboration enables Celsa to communicate in real time with carriers during transportation planning. With the help of the vehicle scheduling and routing optimizer, it is easy to manage capacities, maximize utilization, and handle priorities with assigned carriers.
Westernacher helped us to achieve our goals by, for example, working with us on different types of carriers. So some of our carriers could only take certain types of material. So we identified incompatibilities, which allowed us to just assign certain types of deliveries to these carriers.
So having this TM system helped me a lot because certain hauliers do deliver to specific customer. So with the system's help, it was easy for me to plan it because I can just, with the one click, I can plan 80 loads for a week with the same haulier rather than doing it individually.
So we've saved around 1 to 2% on our transport costs, which is what we expected to achieve.
So every time when we planned the load, haulier received the email, and if the rates were incorrect, they would bring that on the table straight away and we could rectify the problem immediately rather than waiting for a couple of weeks and then trying to track it back.
To utilize real-time visibility and track main KPIs such as loading times, dispatches, or on-time deliveries, Westernacher helped to prepare the necessary data and information.
Westernacher helped us achieve our goals in this implementation by having a really thorough initial workshop phase, a really good communication with our team in Spain and also our teams here in the UK.
SAP Business Network for Logistics and SAP Transportation Management have become the cornerstones of Celsa's supply chain, enabling efficiency, visibility, and a future-ready logistics framework. Westernacher Consulting and Celsa are celebrating not just a project, but a transformative partnership that has set new standards in the steel industry.
¿Por qué escogimos Westernacher? Pues porque nos ofreció la combinación más adecuada de conocimiento técnico, experiencia internacional, capacidad de gestión de proyectos.
We get to learn the system, we get to know the ins and outs, and they are very free with their advice, with their teaching, training us, telling us what to look out for, look at things, where to look out things.
The relationship with Westernacher was extremely helpful. We were quite complicated, I would say, and they went the extra mile to make sure that the package that we had, tailored our demands.
We always felt like we were all working towards the same goal and that we all had the same interests at heart, and we wanted the project to be its best in all cases.
Explore the possibilities with Westernacher Consulting to digitally transform your supply chain business. Embark on a journey to non-stop innovation.